Race number 1, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Make No Mistakes by Darrell. Prince Carlo, Strong Friend. As they leave the straight, Make No Mistakes moving up on the inside. And Shifty, Strong Friend on the farther outside. Prince Carlo, Madame Leonora, Manpower, Amazing Pace on the farther outside. And Sabor de Champan, moving up by Darrell Executive Order. And Prince Carlo. And into the backstretch, Make No Mistake, followed by Strong Friend in second. And Madame Leonora by the rail. On the outside is Amazing Pace, Shifty, Sabor de Sampan, Manpower, Executive Order, and Dream Tower. Hakuna Matata moving up in between horses. And Prince Carlo is bringing up the rear. And nearing the pattern, it's Strong Friend now in the lead. It's a Strong Plan followed by Amazing Pace, and Make No Mistakes on the outside is Manpower. And on the further outside is Hakuna Matata. The last bend for home, Strong Friend in the lead. It's a Strong Friend followed by Make No Mistakes. And Hakuna Matata now moving up on the further outside. And so was Amazing Pace. And at the top of the stretch, the lead is taken over now by Hakuna Matata on the outside. And Make No Mistakes by the rail, Sabor de Champan. Make No Mistakes, Sabor de Champan. And Hakuna Matata on the further outside. Sabor de Champan by the rail, Make No Mistakes. And Hakuna Matata now moving up on the further outside. And finally at the payoff line, it's a close finish. Hakuna Matata, Make No Mistakes, Sabor de Champan, Amazing Pace, Madame Leonora, Manpower, Prince Carlo, A Strong Friend,